Hello everyone, welcome back to our new channel Pune Apartment Listings. Today we are showcasing a beautiful European architectural style villas which are available for sale, fresh as well as resale. We bring to you in this video on popular demand a 2 BHK villa which is available for resale. We received a lot of calls and emails with demands for 2 BHK villa housing projects in Pune. Based on this popular demand, we bring to you this special episode of a 2 BHK villa. Let me quickly give you a run through of the entire plot area. The plot demarcated area is around 1100 square feet. And right behind your plot area is a common amenity space, the kids play park. You can watch your kids play directly from your particular villa into the kids play park. Just have a look at the rear view of the villa elevation. That's the rear view. This project has been developed by a developer which is a multinational corporation. This developer is highly reputed in Pune, Mumbai and Dubai. Not all developers have sites in Dubai. This developer has an in-house engineering and construction team with a special department and quality check. The carpet area for this 2 BHK villa is 1233 square feet. That is the actual carpet area. The entrance of this 2 BHK villa is Vastu compliant. And on the ground floor, we will come across a living area, chef's kitchen, common washroom. Outside the kitchen, we will be having a private garden. Adjacent to this private garden is your common amenities where you will come across the kids play park. This is entirely your living area. Let me show you more. Now that's a common washroom, and right next to it is your chef's kitchen. This developer has provided vitrified flooring with matching skirting throughout the 2 BHK villa. The difference comes into the staircases. All the staircases are of marble. Let's have a look at the chef's kitchen. What you see is what you'll be buying. Exactly how it is. Chimney, hob, burner, exhaust fan provision. This kitchen comes with a black granite platform which is L-shaped. Also a stainless steel sink and glazed dado tiles on the walls. To be very precise, what you see is what you'll be buying. Let's go upstairs and have a look at the two bedrooms. So these are your staircases. Staircases are made of marble. So that is the difference here. And they are spacious enough for one person to go upstairs. Here you will come across two bedrooms. Let's have a look at the two bedrooms. To my left is the first master bed. Pretty spacious. Comes with an attached washroom. All the washrooms, the sanitary fittings are of Indian brands. The wash counters are of marble make. There's a solar water heater provision in the master bathroom. Colored ceramic tiles will be seen in this master shower. With this particular 2 BHK villa, one designed letterbox is provided. Let me quickly take you through the master shower. It's spacious enough, 5 by 9. This project has a MNGL gas pipeline connection already in place, which is available to all the residents. Additionally, 24/7 power and water supply is available here. Now this is the second bedroom, the kids bedroom. On a end note, this beautiful project has fresh 2 and 3 BHK villas also available for sale. As well as those who are willing to buy this 2 BHK resale villa, please give us a call on the number in the description box. Please subscribe to our channel Pune Apartment Listings. Help us grow. We will definitely record good listings for you on this platform. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy the rest of the video.